The next type of problem is based on comparing coefficients and finding out type of graph or the number of solutions. That is, we are going to compare A1 by A2, B1 by B2, C1 by C2 and check if the lines will be intersecting, parallel or coincident. From these coefficients, we can also check number of solutions that the pair of equations can have. First part is the set of equations are 5x minus 4y plus 8 equal to 0 and 7x plus 6y minus 9 equal to 0. Now here the coefficient of x, if you compare, that is a1 by a2 is 5 by 7, b1 by b2 is minus 4 by 6, that is minus 2 by 3, and c1 by c2 we don't need to find out because a1 by a2 and b1 by b2 are not coming equal. So directly we can say that lines will be intersecting. In the next set of solutions, a1 by a2 is 9 by 18, which is 1 by 2. b1 by b2 will be 3 by 6, which is again 1 by 2. And c1 by c2 is 12 by 24, which is again coming 1 by 2. So that means all the three ratios are equal. A1 by A2, B1 by B2 and C1 by C2, all three are equal. So lines will be coincident lines. In the third set of equations, 6x minus 3y plus 10 equal to 0, 2x minus y plus 9 equal to 0. Here A1 by A2 is 6 by 2, which is 3. B1 by B2 is minus 3 by minus 1, which is also 3. C1 by C2 is 10 by 9. So A1 by A2 are equal, but they are not equal to C1 by C2. So the lines will be parallel. This is how you will compare the ratios of the coefficients of x and y and constant term, and you can find out the type of graph or what type of lines it will be. Similar to this one, in the next question, you will compare the ratios and find out the pairs of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent. So now you are finding type of solution. In the first set of equations, 3x plus 2y equal to 5 and 2x minus 3y equal to 7. Now first of all, these are not in general form. So we will get it in general form by transposing the terms. This is the general form of a linear equation. Ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So right hand side must be 0. So first get the equations in general form. Then a1 by a2 is 3 by 2. b1 by b2 is 2 by minus 3. c1 by c2 is minus 5 by minus 7. Now here a1 by a2 and b1 by b2 are not equal. So the system will be consistent. Consistent means it is possible to solve, solution exists. So pair is consistent in first one. Third part, 3 by 2x plus 5 by 3y equal to 7 and 9x minus 10y equal to 14. Again they are not in general form, so first get it in general form. a1 by a2 is 3 by 2 by 9. So I can write it this way, 3 by 2 divided by 9. Then take reciprocal of this, 3 by 2 into 1 by 9. Then 3 and 9 I can cancel the common factor and I'll get 1 by 6. b1 by b2, 5 by 3 divided by minus 10, which is minus 1 by 6. So again a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2 because there's a difference in sign over here. One is positive, the other is negative. So again here the pair of equations are consistent. Let's see the second part now. 2x minus 3y equal to 8, 4x minus 6y equal to 9. First get it in general form like this. a1 by a2 is 2 by 4, that is 1 by 2. b1 by b2 is minus 3 by minus 6, which is also 1 by 2. And c1 by c2 is minus 8 by minus 9, which is 8 by 9. So a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, but they are not equal to c1 by c2. So the given pair is inconsistent. That means it is not possible for us to find a solution for this pair of equations. Lines will be parallel, but we don't have to write what type of graph it will be. We just have to write about consistency. So the answer is inconsistent. Fourth one, 5x minus 3y equal to 11 and 10x plus 6y equal to minus 22. Get the equations in general form. Now here a1 by a2 is 5 by minus 10, which is minus 1 by 2. b1 by b2 is minus 3 by 6, which is again minus 1 by 2. c1 by c2 is minus 11 by 22, which is minus 1 by 2. So all three are equal here. a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2, all three are equal. So the given pair is consistent and dependent. It is consistent but dependent. That means it will have infinitely many solutions, or the lines will be coincident.